What if your next home could come with the possibility of building an additional 1 or 2 homes? Now, this Sanford property isn't just a home, it's an opportunity. You'll get a beautiful upgraded 3-bedroom, 2-bath on 0.64 acres with room to build, like I said, 1 or 2 homes. Now, this is ideal for investors, multi-generational living, or if you want that extra space. Plus, you're minutes from downtown Sanford, a brand new Publix shopping plaza, the airport, and only 45 minutes to the beach. Opportunities like this don't come around often, so you'll want to take advantage. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside. This Sanford gem offers endless possibilities. Whether you're looking for a move-in ready home with upgrades, land to expand, or an investment with huge potential, homes with this much flexibility don't last long. If you like a private showing or want to learn more, my info is below. I love to show you everything this property has to offer. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Central Florida home tours, and share it with someone who might be looking for their next dream home or an investment property. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next tour.